So welcome back. You know, either way I appreciate you. I'm gonna be doing something really fun today. So Lady Gaga and Ariana just put out a music video. I don't remember what day it was, but you pretty much see everyone's been doing their makeup, you know, her look, Lady Gaga's look. I'm gonna be doing Lady Gaga's look today because I don't have any white eyeliner, but I still wanted to copy it because it looks so nice to me. So I've been like a little monster ever since I was like 10. I'm glad she's back and making music because I've been a big fan for like 10 years. But you know, that's besides the point. We're gonna do the makeup. I'm gonna be using white glitter and white eyeliner pencil. I don't have a liquid white eyeliner, so I can't copy Ariana's as much as I'd want to. So, you know, if you enjoy this, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you're a Lady Gaga fan too, you know, let me know because, you know, we'll get along very well. Especially if you was around during the Fame Monster time. That was when I became a huge fan. But we're gonna get it started. I don't want to take too long on the intro. Okay. So she has like a white eyeliner with a little bit of black. Ariana kind of did the same thing, but hers is like outline. So I'm gonna be doing Lady Gaga's. I'm gonna actually put tape under my eyes so it comes out sharp. Couldn't find any for a minute, which is surprising because I got like tape everywhere. Is that close enough? Yeah, it is. So I actually got the mirror extension for my ring light and it doesn't fit over my phone clip. You can't see the camera through the mirror, so now I've ran into another problem. So either I have to get a new camera, record on my phone, or I have to get a new phone. I have to get a new phone clip. Go into the Supreme. It's like a salmon like tan color. I'm gonna go into Ho. I'm not joking, that's one of the shade names, Ho. She didn't really have much in the crease, so I'm gonna just leave it like this. A little more Ho. A little more Ho is not gonna hurt anybody, right? It's a bit old, but I'm just outlining with it. Here goes nothing. It was nearly covering our whole lid though. So I think I need to go higher. So I'm gonna get those cake liners I said I was gonna get right because it's not working. But I could freehand it. At least I think I can. We'll see how this goes. So like I had said, I don't have any white eyeliner, but I have white glitter. I got this from Amazon. I'll put the link, but it came with like 20 other ones. I had gotten it from my I got it from my client kit. In the back, I don't know why I'm pointing to it, like you can see it. I had gotten this from my clients and they had more than one white in there, so I just kept this one. Kind of like, I know I'm gonna want it, and then I thought about this look and I was like, why not use it for that? So here we are. I'm just fixing the line to make sure it's like brighter. All right, I did it. So now I can take this off. All I gotta do is the eyeliner. My eyeliner is almost done, so I just hope it's not gonna be too hard to apply. Cause she had like a little thin layer of eyeliner on. Was it just me, or when Stupid Love came out, all I was hearing was that song in my head? Like, that song is very catchy. I just love Lady Gaga personally. I just loved her music ever since Love Game. That was the first song I heard by her and I became a fan just like that. I loved it. So I'm excited for Chromatica. Oh, I didn't prime my face, right? It's because this actually works pretty well. I would do the Milk of Magnesia today, but I don't feel like it. So I'm gonna do one pump at a time. I wonder if I can use this for foundation. I think I can. Let's see. I don't know what I say. I'm not gonna lie all the time, but I like it. It blends it really well. I wonder if I can still use this. Actually, no, I'm not gonna use this. I'm gonna use this. Don't need that much. Says don't need that much, but proceeds to put on more. She's blended. May have over contoured a little bit. If you overdid anything, just blend it out and you should be fine. Since this is a galactic makeup look, I'm going to be using, I forgot the name of it. I'm going to be using Forever Lit, and it's like a iridescent. It's a really pretty. I like to use it if I'm not using gold colors. If I'm like sticking to silver, I like to use it. Or if I'm using like holographic or iridescent type of makeup, I use Forever Lit. She actually had, it looked like she had a lot of blush on in the video. Now all of the work I did will be blended out. So my hair's done. So she had a little bit of an outline on her lips, so I'm just creating a quick outline. And I'm done. I think I got it. It's a very galactic type of look, you know, that's normal for Lady Gaga. She does stuff like that normally, so, but I didn't even try to get the hairstyle down. I know I have curly hair, but you know, I still feel like I did it. So that's the white glitter all around it. So if you enjoyed this look, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you enjoyed this look, you like looks like this, you know, subscribe. I'm gonna be posting as often as I can, but I like to do stuff like this, so trust me, you won't regret subscribing. Okay, I'm almost at 200. I'm pretty much halfway there now, so let's get to 200. And also, you know, if you like makeup looks, you like me to copy stuff or create things, I'm the perfect YouTuber for you, you know. So, you know, yeah, have a good day or good night whenever I upload this.